Hello, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time coming, thank you for stopping by. If you are returning again, thank you for coming back and checking us out again. Well, today we're going to unbox the August 2018 CurlBox. Okay, but as we get started with that, I just want to say to you, it would be so amazing if you hit that button right there that says subscribe and become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. Then have you become a part of Season Beauties family. And then while you're in that general vicinity down there, go ahead, hit the bell so you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is loaded. Okay? Now, if you like what you see here, I encourage you to hit the like button, leave a comment, But more importantly, it's always important to become part of the family, okay? Now, even if you think you are already a part of the Season Beauties family, I just want to ask you to double check. YouTubers across the board have been having a problem with our subscribers disappearing. So if you unsubscribed, see, I can't even say that word right because I can't imagine why you would want to do that. But if that was the case, by all means, consider coming back, okay? And if you do see that you were unsubscribed for whatever reason, not of your own, then we ask you to just hit that button again and also make sure the notifications bell is rung, okay? Now, we're going to get into this box. Okay. Now, the curl boxes have changed. How about that? They used to be black. However, now they're this wonderful color of pink. How about that? Okay? So I know you're not really all that concerned about what color the box is. You just want to know what's on the inside of the box. So let's go ahead and open it up. And of course, right on the top is our description card, which is beautiful. And for the month of August, this is the Flower Power issue. Okay? Now, in addition to that, there is another card in here. Once you become a part of the CurlBox family, it says, "Hey, curl friend, tell us what you think. Each month, we pick a random winner of a secret prize if you tag us with CurlBox showing your products or styles on Instagram." So they give us the information for that. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And for those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, CurlBox is a monthly hair care box. And I promise you, every month it's off the chain. Okay, they give you practically a complete line, but they give you everything to make sure your hair is slayed for real. Okay, so this month we are hydrating and styling. Okay, it says hydrate and style. Okay, so this one is the Hibiscus and honey line, okay? And we have quite a few products in here. As a matter of fact, there is 5 of them. Okay, we're getting them all out. We're getting them out. We're getting them out, okay? And they're all full size, okay? So let's start at the beginning. And of course, we got to make sure our tresses are cleaned. So here is the Curl Hydration Shampoo, Hibiscus Honey, Eden Body Works. Okay, here you go. full-size products. This is a 8-ounce bottle of shampoo right here, and it says gently cleanse and nourish hair, adds moisture and softness to give curls an extra boost of hydration. Safe to use on color treated hair. So look, they're covering us. Okay, so we have that one. Then of course, after we shampoo our hair, we definitely want to give it some curl hydration conditioner. Okay, that's what this one is. Okay, here we go. And this one says instantly works to strengthen, detangle, and protect strands, enhances natural softness, boosts curls, and tames frizz. That right there is a wonderful reason to be using a product like this. Okay, after that, we have a hydration custard. All right. Let me go back to this one for a second. Okay, yes, this is an 8-ounce bottle of conditioner as well. Then we have the 8-ounce jar of the hydration custard, okay? And this one says designed for thicker textures, wavy, curly, kinky, to lock in moisture, gives definition, and adds shine. So, oh my God. Oh, this smells so good, so good, so good. And it's nice and thick. Look at that. I bet you I'd be real embarrassed if it just all plopped out, right? But that wasn't the case. So nonetheless, let's just, oh nice. It's very, very nice. Very, very creamy, very, very thick. All right. Then we have, all right, I don't even know which one to do first, but I'm telling you, I'm just going to go ahead and do this one. This right here is the blow dry cream for the times when you decide you want to straighten out the curls or the, you know, well, we're not straightening out any locks, honey. So, and when you're ready to blow it dry, that's what this is for. And this one says provides heat protectant and all day long frizz control for a sleek, smooth look. And there's a tip on here. It says hair should be at least 60% dry before blow drying. Okay, that will help to cut down on heat damage, of course. And then after you do all of that, we got some hair tonic, and this is liquid vitamins, and this is actually in a spray formula. Yep, spray formula. Okay, and this one says transforms dry, brittle, dull, lifeless hair. High potency concentration of nutrients to make hair more manageable and healthy looking. Alcohol free and non-greasy. Those are good words to hear. Now, I love, love, love this box. Now, just some details on this box. It goes for $25 per month. That does include the shipping. And it usually comes out towards the end of the month, okay? And it always features a plethora of whatever the featured brand is for the month. I'm telling you, it makes sure your hair is always looking on point. All right, now, the tonic, we're going to go through it. They have a little information card that was placed in here. It says cleanse and condition. That's the first step with the hibiscus and honey. Cleanse and condition. Then style and protect. then nurture. Okay, now see, all of these things, they're making sure they're not just telling you what to do, but they're providing you with the tools to do it, okay, or the products to do it. Alrighty, so, and this says make your hair more manageable and healthy. The benefits of this line: adds sheen and gloss, moisturizes hair, curbs dandruff, helps reduce split ends, no petroleum or mineral oil, promotes stronger hair, safe for all hair types. Now, it also, in addition to the benefits, gives us some tips. It says try spritzing onto dry scalp to hydrate, then massage. Apply after blow drying to restore lost nutrients and elasticity and to prevent breakage. Use after washes to add immediate nourishments. Feed your hair daily. Okay? Transform dry, brittle, or dull hair with this high potency concentration of nutrients. Alrighty, so that is the August 2018 CurlBox. Amazing as usual. That's all I can say. It is amazing as usual. All of our products are here. We have got to get this hair slayed like we want it to be, okay? And they're going to help us every step of the way. So, as usual, thank you so much for stopping by and spending some time with me going through this CurlBox that features Eden Body Works, honey and hibiscus. I'm sorry, hibiscus and honey. Okay, and remember, regardless of the season that you're in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Now, before you leave, if you didn't in the beginning, go ahead, make sure you subscribe and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. Until next time.